Hello friend, in this video I will discuss a very important question of limit and continuity. And the question is limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power x equal to e. So in this type of question we have to take log on both sides. Whenever we have a variable to the power variable, that means x to the power x, y to the power y and z to the power z. So we have the same thing here. 1 plus 1 by x is a variable whole term to the power variable. Then we have to take log on both sides by assuming left hand side equal to y. Okay. So if we take log on both sides, log y equal to limit x tending to infinity log of 1 plus 1 by x to the power x. Then we have a property of log, that means log m to the power n equal to n log m. So we can write here limit x tending to infinity x log 1 plus 1 by x. So if we take the first, we can solve it by two ways. So then if you apply the first ways, that means log 1 plus x series. Okay, so what it will be, x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 plus and so on. Okay, so we can write here limit x tending to infinity x into x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus and so on. Okay, so the x will be 1 by x basically, because at the place of x we can write 1 by x. So this term will be what, 1 by x, 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 3 x cube and so on. Limit x tending to infinity, if we multiply x in all the terms, then we have 1 minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3x square minus 1 upon 4x cube plus and so on. Now we have to take limit here. If we take limit x tending to infinity, taking limit, then this term will be 1 upon 1 by 2 into infinity plus 1 upon 3 into infinity square and so on. Okay, 1 by infinity is 1 upon 0, that means 1 into 0 by 1, so the result is 0. That means all the terms will be 0, 1 minus 0 plus 0 and so on. So log y will equal to 1, then y equal to what, e to the power 1. So limit x we can write limit x tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power x equal to. So this is the result we have to prove by first method, by applying log 1 plus 1 by x series. We can also prove by applying Dale-Hospital rule, a Dale-Hospital rule in which we have to take the differentiation numerator and denominator separately until the indeterminate form is removed. So this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.